Scenario: a vessel is entering a busy port and contacts BTS for instructions. Vessel: BTS, this is MB Ocean Star, call sign EBCD, on channel 16, request permission to enter traffic lane over.
BTS, MB Ocean Star, this is Port BTS, switch to channel 12 over.
Vessel: switching to channel 12 MB Ocean Star over.
BTS, MB Ocean Star, this Port BTS, state your position, speed, and destination over.
Vessel: Port BTS, MB Ocean Star, position 2 miles south of harbor entrance, speed 10 knots, destination main port terminal over.
BTS, MB Ocean Star, traffic is heavy, reduce speed to 5 knots, keep to starboard side of channel, report when passing buoy Alpha over.
Vessel: reducing speed to 5 knots, will keep to starboard side, and report at buoy Alpha, MB Ocean Star over. Vessel: Port BTS, MB Ocean Star, passing buoy Alpha now over.
BTS, my Ocean Star, Roger, continue inbound, pilot will board at pilot station over.
Vessel: Roger, continuing inbound, waiting for pilot, MB Ocean Star over.